Paros, Greece, an idyllic blend of natural beauty, history, and culture. Paros, situated in the heart of the Aegean Sea, is a beacon of Grecian splendor, offering a harmonious blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. As a beloved destination in the Cyclades, Paros captivates with its stunning landscapes, pristine beaches, and the luminous quality of light that has inspired artists and poets for centuries. The island's geography is a tapestry of rolling hills, verdant valleys, and miles of coastline adorned with some of the Aegean's most beautiful beaches. Golden sands and crystal-clear waters invite relaxation and a multitude of water sports, from windsurfing at Golden Beach to snorkeling in the sheltered bays of Aliki and Piso Livadi. The island boasts a rich historical tapestry, with remnants of the past dotting the landscape. One can explore the ancient marble quarries near Marathi, which supplied the material for timeless masterpieces such as the Venus de Milo. The Panagia Ekatontapiliani, or the Church of 100 Doors, in Parikia, is a significant Byzantine monument, dating back to the 4th century, embodying the deep religious heritage of the island. The capital, Parikia, is a maze of narrow alleys lined with traditional Cycladic houses, their white facades and blue accents gleaming under the Aegean sun. The old market area buzzes with life, offering a plethora of shops, cafes, and tavernas, where one can savor the local cuisine. Seafood, fresh from the surrounding waters, is a staple, often accompanied by the distinct flavors of Cycladic cheeses and wines. Nausa, once a sleepy fishing village, now stands as a vibrant testament to Paros' blend of traditional charm and contemporary flair. The town's old port, with its colorful fishing boats and waterfront eateries, provides a picturesque setting for evening strolls and dining al fresco. The nightlife here pulsates with energy, offering a mix of laid-back bars and lively clubs. Cultural festivals and events are a cornerstone of life on Paros, celebrating everything from local saints' feast days to the island's maritime heritage. The Pirate Festival in Nausa, held in late August, reenacts a historical pirate invasion, complete with traditional costumes and sea battles, immersing locals and visitors alike in the island's storied past. Paros also serves as a sanctuary for artists and craftsmen, its enchanting light and landscapes fostering creativity. Numerous galleries and workshops showcase local talent, offering everything from handmade jewelry to intricate ceramics and textiles. For those seeking a blend of adventure and tranquility, the island's hinterlands offer hiking trails that meander through olive groves, vineyards, and ancient ruins, revealing breathtaking vistas of the Aegean at every turn. The Byzantine Road, a medieval path connecting the villages of Lefs and Prodromos, offers a journey through time, surrounded by the natural beauty of the Cycladic landscape. In Paros, the essence of Greek island life is palpable, a place where history, culture, and natural beauty converge to create an unforgettable experience. Whether drawn by the allure of its cultural heritage, the beauty of its landscapes, or the warmth of its people, visitors to Paros discover a world where the past and present harmoniously coexist, offering a glimpse into the soul of Greece.